Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's Miffy here, and to go to this gallery and visit the Slices of Time exhibition. I have already booked tickets for today for 3:45, and I will be going with Grace, and then later on at 4:30 we will be going to the Selfie Factory again. Luckily, the Slices of Time exhibition is not too far off from the Selfie Factory in O2, so that's the reason why I have booked two places for today. The reason why we're going is because they have new backdrops, of course, and yeah, we can't get enough of taking photos, so we decided to go and take the opportunity once again. And that Selfie Factory has reopened its doors, and I think today is the first day. It's still at the O2 and we're gonna go, and I'm gonna make my way there soon.
Feet up on the dashboard, we're driving with the windows down. Did you forget your phone cord? We'll buy one in the next small town. Dinner at an IHOP, a shower at a truck stop. We'll listen to some Johnny Cash. Take my hand and don't look back, cause we're moving on. Pack back here, drag you in. Pack back here, in. Drag your backpack here, in back coast and hold back there in. Run away with me, we're on the way to New York City. Take my hand and see, Manhattan never looked so pretty. Travel light and see the world right, you'll never know if you never go. So run
Finished seeing the Slices of Time exhibition. Now I'm just making my way inside the O2 and gonna go to the Selfie Factory. So it is a little bit early, so we're just gonna wait around inside the O2, and then by 4:30 we would actually go to the Selfie Factory.
Say hello to New York City. Run away with me, we're on the way to New York City. Take my hand and see Manhattan.
So I'm just inside the O2, so I'm gonna walk down to the Selfie Factory.
Never go, so run away with me. Stroll the midtown streets and tell me that you don't feel giddy.
Arrived at the Selfie Factory. We're a bit early, but we're gonna walk around and wait. So yeah, I can't wait for the experience again.
Go, so run away with me and say hello to New York City. Say hello to New York City. Say hello to New York City. I'm digging through the glove box. Thought I had a rat in. Drawer's door doesn't lock. I bought the car that you in here. There's candy in my backpack. I can pick a soundtrack. We're heading for the East Coast tonight, so pack your bags and hold on tight, cause we're taking off. Pack back here, drag you in. Pack back here, in. Drag your backpack here, in back coast and hold back there in. Run away with me, we're on the way to New York City. Take my hand and see, Manhattan never looked so pretty. Travel light and see the world right, you'll never know if you never go. So run away with me and say hello to New York City. And say hello to New York City. And say hello to New York City. Feet up on the dashboard, we're driving with the windows down. Did you forget your phone cord? We're rolling in the next small town. Dinner at an IHOP, a shower at a truck stop. We'll listen to some Johnny Cash. Take my hand and don't look back, 'cause we're moving on. Pack back here, drag you in. Pack back here, in drag your backpack here, in back coast, hold back there in. Run away with me, we're on the way to New York City. Take my hand and see, Manhattan never looked so pretty. Travel light and see the world right, you'll never know if you never go. So run away with me and say hello to New York City. And say hello to New York City. Say hello to New York City.
So we just finished the Salty Factory, so we're just resting in the seating place somewhere in the O2. Honestly, I feel so drained out. I think it's just like when you're filming and you're taking photos, it's just so much things going all at once. But yeah, I really had a good experience. So guys, that concludes my vlog today, and yeah, we're gonna be heading off back home because it's raining. But hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys next time.